Guess who's back? Back again. Tessie's back. Tell a friend. Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. If you're new here, my name is Tess. If not, you've probably been wondering where I've been for the past month. But before I tell you where I've been, let's give a huge round of applause to Mahassan and Danish for doing such an amazing job on this channel whilst I've been gone. Okay, so over the summer I've been interning as a software engineer at JP Morgan, so I'm back with 5 tips to help you be a top-notch software engineer intern. Tip number 1, take notes. You're going to be in a lot of meetings, and with this pandemic, Zoom meetings, so you're going to have to write down everything you hear basically so you can remember it later, because you're going to get a lot of information thrown at you, not only from your own team but from other teams out with. So it's very important just to make sure you know what's going on both within your own team and in the wider company. Tip number 2, communicate simply. At some point throughout your internship, you're going to have to present what you've been working on, whether that's at daily stand-ups or at end-of-week presentations. And you're most likely going to have to be presenting towards not only people on your technical team, but people out with your technical team who aren't in a technical field, such as management. So you're going to have to start developing skills in how to convey your technical skills in a non-technical way. One useful way to do this is to create really fun and creative presentations, and in order to do that I'd recommend watching our last video, which I will link above. Tip number 3, testing. I was not aware of this, but apparently some people expect you to have a certain percentage of test coverage before you're able to commit or push your code, which can be problematic when you don't know about it at first. So learn about different testing paradigms such as mocking, and that'll give you a really good start. Tip number 4, plan your pushes. You are going to be working on a team with other people and you're all going to be pushing your code to production. So it's very important to communicate with your team when you're about to push or commit or any type of action on your code. Because if all of you start trying to push at the same time, you can and will overwhelm the system. Tip number 5, learn from your senior software engineers on your team. I'm really lucky in that I have a great project lead who lets me read her example code, and so I get to learn from her coding style. And also just ask them general questions about how they felt when they started out, because they were in the same boat as you once. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep the code coming, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.